Hi guys, back here with another video at Keep It Fresh. And please hit the like button down below and subscribe. Today we're back here at another abandoned house and this time it has a barn. I don't know if we're gonna find any bottles, but normally if there's a barn, there's an outhouse. I know what I'm saying. Yeah, this is the outhouse maybe. Sometimes if it's an outhouse, I swear, please don't be an outhouse. Good, it's the inside of the barn. Here it is. Everything's falling down. Look at, they got a big trash pile over there too. There's a well, maybe. I don't know if that's a well, because it has a sink down there. Maybe it's like a kind of, I don't know. That's so deep. I was scared. And I'm sure the water, I think it was just used to, that's like kind of shocking, but you know. Here's back here. Yeah. So, here's the barn. There's big tires. Holy, those are big. There's a lot of metal stuff, like bins and stuff they've thrown a little bit. So here's the barn. Here not the barn, oh, there was just a mouse. There was just a mouse. I swear I just saw a mouse. It went behind the tire. Then it has up there. Yep. So yeah. There's that over there. I'm not gonna go over there because all it is just trash. Which is pretty cool. Can be cool if it's like, I don't know. So let's look kind of from this perspective over here. See, that part is off, but that part is on. Oh wait, that part is on, this part is off of the window. See, look, here's the big barn. There's the fan. So I think the house is older and the barn just kind of looks old. It just never was painted. Holy, you guys hear that? Okay, so here I'll guys show you a different perspective up here. Whoa, it's just like you look up and you go, here's the top part, there's a bottom part right there. There, it goes all the way down. Wow, that's cool. Okay. So let's go explore in here, see what we can find. Wait, I wonder if they got a basement. No, they don't have a basement. Never mind. Alright. Now, let's keep going. There's that, but it's like up here. Whoa, that's just like you look up and you go, here's the top part, there's a bottom part right there. There, it goes all the way down. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so let's go explore in here, see what we can find. Wait, I wonder if they got a basement. No, they don't have a basement. Never mind. All right. Now, let's keep going. There's that, but it's like, what's this? Can't find any bottles. So there's a little tin thing there. Oh, I just found a truck. A truck way back there. Here, we're gonna go back there. Pole for the fence. Whole lot of trash back here. See, there is. Hey, they threw it away. This is like a dumpster area. Nah, it wasn't a vehicle, I don't think. Look it. They're like cushions or something. I think they're cushions. We're gonna keep walking. There's like all this trash, and I think there's a hole there. Oh, never mind. It's just a hole. There's this. Looking. Hey. Whoa. I think I can make it all the way back there. I'll just be careful and go check out what it is. It would have been so easier if I could go the other way, but we're too late now. Yeah, this one can hold me. Surprisingly, this one can hold me. Mattresses. Hey, it's a couch. Someone threw a couch back here. There's 2 couches. So people have been here. Hey, this is an extending bed. Yeah, I think. Mattress. Ripped up. Not a bed, a couch over there. Yeah, I thought it was, what is this? So weak. So this is like a rocking thing. I think this one would still be good. Hope you guys can see. It's the sunset. Okay. So there's the rafters. So there has to, see? So there's a third part. I thought it was just that one. I don't know, maybe I'm just saying stuff. I don't know much about barns. Whoa. There's all this trash here. But the barn was pretty cool because there was like these big tires. Here's a piece of glass. So here's the trash. Walking around. We're gonna walk back here. See, there's more tires over there, which is pretty cool. So it's combined by these 2 fields, and there's a field on the other side. See, there's that field. Shoot. Oh, never mind, actually. There's a bucket over there. There's another glimpse if you can kind of see. So, yeah. Here's the round. There's a bucket back back here. I'm gonna go way back here. Okay, so there's another hole. I think. Oh, it's a gopher hole, maybe? No, not a gopher. Snake. But there's like holes there and there and there. So here's the trash. Walking around. We're gonna walk back here. See, there's more tires over there, which is pretty cool. Oh my God. Guys, check it out what I just found. I just found an old truck. I found an old truck. Look at an old truck. It's shattered. With like, I'm guessing the front is completely gone. They probably threw the cushions all the way back there. Okay, I don't know if this is me, but the top hole right there looks like a bullet hole. That's my guess. Just not to be like curious or something, but it looks like, well, there's the front right there. That's cool. Let's go back over here. So there's this. Yeah. That's super cool. So it has wires in the back. Okay. Back in the olden days, when there was money, if they robbed a bank or something, they put it under the seat. Anything? Nothing. I don't think so. Yeah. Let's see anything. Oh, it stinks in there because there's crap. That's okay though. It's alright. So pretty cool. Alright, guys. So I guess I'm gonna end my video there. It's a cool truck, cool barn, and cool house. We found some old cushions over there. So don't forget to like button and subscribe for more content like this. Peace.